everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another four-wheeler video for you today. It's been a minute.
It's been a minute.
It's been a minute since we went riding.
The camp ride was the last ride.
We're about to shred today. It's cold. The winter rides are coming. They're right around the corner. I mean, it's like 50 or something today, but it's kind of chilly.
It feels colder than 50, not gonna lie.
It's already kind of late. It's like gonna be probably like 2 o'clock by the time we hit the trail, so we're gonna have like 3 hours of riding. So we're gonna shred. Got the new, shout out to GoPro, hooking it up with the waterproof backpack.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. Gonna have the drone in there, and hoodies and stuff you don't want to get wet. So we're gonna try to test that out today. And as always, Jude, what do they got to do?
The number one thing you gotta do is subscribe to the channel. You know, we're always putting out these banger four-wheeler videos.
We're on the road to 1,000 at this point.
Let's just settle with 500 for now.
But subscribers are going up.
After you do that, you gotta like the video. That's why the hell not?
I think you gotta share and subscribe, or make someone's less Santy.
Oh no.
Get on
Damn.
the bad side, shit gets real.
That's a bold claim there.
Yeah.
If I were you, I'd subscribe and share, or else you'll get cold for Christmas, do you? The mittens are out. Once we get going these roads, 50 mile an hour, that cold air, it's kind of cold on the hands, so mitten gang. Put your comment down below, hashtag mitten gang. Shout out to Carhartt, best mittens in the game. All right, boys, after about 3 hours of road riding, we're finally hitting some trails. Feels like 3 hours anyway. About to fall asleep behind the wheel of this thing. Oh, it just jumped, you know, yeah. There's that turning radius, boys.
Yeah.
Stunts.
Was I bet. Nice. Getting radical. Look at the GoPro backpack. Shout out to the GoPro backpack.
What?
Shout out to the GoPro backpack. Thing's nice. Here we go. Oh, it's easy.
saw it. I mean, barbed wire, you're gonna go through barbed wire?
Oh shit.
Anyone that rams their truck into
Nobody was trying to run into you. What do you mean we're trying to slip 30 feet? I didn't slide at all.
he rams our buggy with his truck and stands there.
He about went through the barbed wire.
I know. I was trying to wave him down and he kept going. Hopefully he didn't cut himself up at all.
Looked like he cut his sleeve.
Like I said, we're out here every week making banger content.
This is gonna be a decent video. How about it?
I didn't know they hit Scott and them with the car. Technically, we didn't trespass yet. So, I mean, we're golden.
We just bounce. This dirt bike, we just bounce. We'll see you guys back at the house.
I mean, it does, like, how... I understand you get mad when people trespass and everything like that. I get that. Like, if people are disrespecting your property and shit. But, like, if you're a side-by-side, you can't turn around right here. So, like, what else are you supposed to do? This should be illegal. You can kill someone doing that.
I just know that people take shit too seriously.
Yeah. He's riding a machine on my property. Oh, no.
I mean, I understand it, but at the same time, it's like, alright, just tell us to leave and you're gonna try to fucking kill somebody.
Just tell him to be like, alright, just leave.
Well, I think you hit him.
Yeah. You ran into him, I think. There's a kickstand on that thing. You don't have to hold it up.
He told me to hold it. Put it down. Oh, who would have thought?
Is that a helmet laying there?
Yeah, it's...
About to be like a wrong turn. About to be some cannibals that come out of this truck and just fucking kill us all.
If that's the case, dude, I'm dipping. I'm fucking out.
Police are on their way.
Are you alright?
I'm alright. This guy won't tell me his name.
Girl's got a loud ass voice.
So much for riding today.
And here goes all the daylight.
They coming to the office?
Why is her voice so loud?
It's a good thing they didn't hit me, or else my mom would be swinging right
Yeah,
now.
no.
That fucker would be dead.
They come up over this. Right there's barbed wire. Like, right there, I see the tracks. I see the barbed wire. You know, it's agricultural, but knocking down barbed wire is illegal as it gets.
What are you doing?
Man, I cannot believe that somebody tried to come right up here with trees down and barbed wire. This barbed wire is right here. Did you guys cut the barbed wire?
Run my forward. Run on this radio right there. And I pull up on this, go through this trail, come up on top of some flowers.
I mean, right there, that's fresh. That's a fresh break.
Oh.
Now, you guys, I mean, do you think he could have turned that thing around right here, that side by side? You know, I mean, really, there's lots of room right here to turn around. He's saying he couldn't have turned around. He had to break my barbed wire. You know, I cannot believe it.
No, I'm not.
Cannot believe it. How'd you get your sleeve? Were you riding with these guys?
Yeah.
That's how your sleeve got cut up? I mean, look at that. So how'd the barbed wire get caught on?
I'm over there.
Oh, no, but so you weren't in with it. So how'd you get cut with barbed wire?
Came up there to turn around and didn't see it.
Where was the barbed wire?
Right there in front of my dirt bike.
But I mean, where did you hit barbed wire? That's
Right
what
there
I
in
don't
front of my
understand.
dirt bike.
There's barbed wire right over there?
Yeah.
Alright, what's up guys? I'm sitting here editing this video. Focus. Alright, so I'm sitting here editing this video. Just realized that we never even turned the cameras back on, or we never even updated you guys or anything as to what happened or explained anything. We just never picked up the cameras again. And so basically I was just gonna try to explain real quick just what happened and the whole situation, how everything went down. So basically we went up that hill there. That place where we ride is like a common place around our area where we ride, and like thousands of people ride in that area. It's where we all go to all the poker runs, and like pretty much every single one of our riding videos is in that area somewhere, you know. So we were going up that hill. It was a trail that we never went up before. We try not to ride on people's posted property. We try not to trespass. We try not to, you know, especially it's hunting season right now, so people are out hunting. It was a Saturday, so people are out hunting. I don't think it was rifle season. It was like archery or whatever, but people are out hunting. So you got to be careful like what you're doing when you're out riding. We're riding up that hill, and I didn't see any posted signs. And then, except for when you see we go up there's a posted sign like facing like the opposite way of the trail. And so it's like, I don't know why you'd put, I mean, I guess you'd put post signs anywhere, but you think you'd want people at your property, you put one there. So we're riding up that hill, you see a tree cut down. And it's not just like a normal tree that just fell down. It's a tree that was cut. You can see it was cut. So we're like, okay. It was like a pretty rocky, like weird uphill trail. So Scott went to the right. We were honestly just Scott was gonna go up and turn around, come back down the hill. Me and Jude and my uncle went up to the left, and I saw that barbed wire. And then I point at my uncle, goes to do a wheelie and almost wrecks into it. So that guy's property line was right there, right on that barbed wire, right with that tree, right with that cut down tree. The guy in the video, he owns the land. Scott goes up to the right, and the guy with his daughter, he was sitting there in his truck. I don't know if he sits there, and he says he has people riding on his property all the time, so I don't know if he's sitting there waiting for somebody or it was just a coincidence that he was there. He sees him and he comes down the trail pretty quick, and he hits Scott in his buggy. Him and my mom were in Scott's Razor. Me and Jude stayed on the other side of the barbed wire, so we weren't trespassing. We were just staying on that side. Normally, stuff like this, the guy'd be like, all right, you know, we'd just be like, okay, whatever, we're leaving. This has happened before in one of our videos where we were on some other people's property. We didn't know. And they're like, hey, this is our property. So we were like, all right, sorry, turn around and left. That's what usually happens. This time, the guy hit Scott. He had a flat tire. His axle was broken. He was like parked up on Scott's Razor, so we couldn't leave. Try to make this long story short. They argued for forever. We were there for like hours. They called the police. State police came through. Two state cops. Game warden came through. Scott got, I don't know if he was getting a trespassing citation or whatever. They said the guy was gonna get some stuff. They said it was gonna be a private property accident or whatever. But just like the whole thing could have been avoided. And I completely understand if you don't want people on your property. That's completely fine. Taking it that far and hitting somebody, his property was right there. So it wasn't like we were hundreds of yards into his property. It'd be like if somebody pulled into your driveway to turn around and you hit him with your truck. So yeah, the whole thing just kind of blew out of proportion. People, you know, screaming back and forth. It was, you know, it was just stupid, honestly. Obviously, it's part of our fault that we're riding on this guy's land. So then after we got it all figured out and the cops came and they did all their work, eventually Scott got his tire repair kit out. We plugged the hole in the tire, blew it up, fixed it, got out of there, turned around, left. Started to get dark. We rode for another, I don't know, 10 minutes, but then we just head home. Pretty much how the whole situation went down. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 500 subs. We'll see you on the next one, boys. Peace.